Dance to Express is one of those projects that will remain in the experience of our bodies, not only into our minds. And I think it brought different things to different people. For me, I very much love the way that we could mingle and we could mix this idea of also creative dance and everything that comes from dance. Together with the process of therapy and even like psychotherapy, because for some of our participants it was really a therapeutic work and it was a self-discovery journey and an evolution as persons first and foremost, and then they could really see how it could we could apply this to children and people all around us.
Dance to Express has been an intense journey. It's been a very interesting journey. For me, what I found interesting is the relationships and the connections that were created. And through dance, through movement, through nonverbal communication, the intense relationships that were built. And as you said as well, for some, it was very therapeutic. For others who never considered dance as a tool for working, are now trying to apply it to children. It's been interesting watching them apply some of the sessions, trying to recreate some of the experiences that they had and how it made them feel, to try to make others feel. Not just in everybody's minds as a very good memory, but embodied in our body through the whole experience that was created.
Okay, so this experience has been a lot important to me in formal practice. This is a life-changing experience. Personally, it helped me very much to think about myself, the relationship with the others, the way that I look at the others and connect with the others. The experience when we went to Romania and then our colleagues went here, it was an excellent experience to know different cities, the food, the personalities of all of us, of the group. And I want to put in practice the things that we learn in schools with my kids. And I learned the power of nonverbal communication and the expression of emotions through movement. I am thrilled. It was just a wonderful experience. I have no words, just emotions and feelings, and I'm very grateful for this.
lot of methods and techniques on how to work with students for dance therapy. In Romania and also here in this training in Portugal, we interact, we learn how to know ourselves better, we learn how to be aware of our movements and how these movements have an effect on our mind and the whole state of our spirit. And we have learned how to encourage others, the children, to have the same experience. The whole project was very useful for me because it was a new therapy that I got aware of.
What I liked at this international visit here in Portugal is the community involvement and the support that usually I don't see in my country, and I want to try to do it back home. And also how we could involve people with disabilities into a dance company and go more towards dance inclusion in the real sense, and how you can bring all their stories in front of the community, and then how you can build that bridge towards the community, and the community could also come and support the evolution of let's say inclusive dance company, which is amazing. And this is the thing that I want to take home with me. I am taking home with me community support.
Inspiration. Confidence in myself and others.
Connect with myself in the other group.
Awareness and a lot of feelings.
Belonging.
A big experience.
Love.
Memories. Support. Sensations.
Smiling.
Emotion.
Relaxing.
Connection.
Being into my body.
A lot of emotions.
Soul and body.
Play and fun.
Womanhood.
Freedom.
Communication.